In Microsoft Excel, it's very simple to calculate statistics such as the mean, median, and mode. In Excel, as you'll see we're in at the moment, I have in column A various house prices, and you may have a lot more data than this. To calculate the mean, the average, we simply, in an empty cell, put in the equal sign, type in average, open brackets, select our data, close brackets, and enter. And now that is the average of these values. The median, or the middle number, is very similar. We just type in equals, and then median, open brackets, and again, select our data, close brackets, enter, and now that is the middle number. 517263 is the middle number in our set of data. The mode also equals mode, open brackets, select our data, close brackets, and click enter. And you can see here that in my data, two house prices have 299,600, and therefore that is the most frequently occurring number. That's how simple it is. Thanks for joining me.